Hi all of you who are watching this video. My name is Nikhil from Pratham Test Prep. This video we are shooting to help you in filling up the form for NIRMA University application form 2022. Yes guys, in India there are a lot of students जो चाहते हैं कि मैं 5 years integrated program में चला जाऊँ where I'll be doing a graduation plus post graduation also, because whenever you actually complete your graduation you will have to appear for the different entrance test after graduation as well. Likewise आपके पास options होते हैं CAT, GMAT, SAT, Xavier's, Symbiosis, and there are a lot of other universities who conduct the entrance test for MBA as well. कुछ students होते हैं जो कि चाहते हैं कि आप पहले से ही आप एक 5 years इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम में चले जाएं जिसमें आपको बाद में स्ट्रगल नहीं करना पड़े टू गेट इनटू द कॉलेजेस ऑफ फॉर मास्टर्स एज वेल. सो दीज आर द ऑप्शंस फॉर यू. निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटीज हैव 5 years इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम जो कि आपको 5 years प्रोग्राम ऑफर करता है, ग्रेजुएशन प्लस पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, 3 years फॉर योर BBA एंड 2 years फॉर योर MBA. इसके अलावा कुछ और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ भी हैं गाइज जो कि ऑफर करती हैं 5 years इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम. There are 5 IIMs who offers 5 year integrated program. If I list down, I am Indore, I am Rohtak, Ranchi, Bodh Gaya and Jammu. These are 5 IIMs which offers 5 years integrated program. इसके अलावा कुछ प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ भी हैं जो कि 5 years program ऑफर करती हैं. लाइकवाइज मणिपाल ऑफर्स, UPES also has 5 years integrated program, and if I talk about OP Jindal also, they also have 5 years integrated program. So depending upon your choice, your interest, you can choose the program for yourself. Nirma Universities takes the application on the process on the basis of IIM Indore. So you will have to appear for IIM Indore examination, and then you will have to separately fill the form for NIRMA University as well. So अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं NIRMA University में, आपको IIM Indore का फॉर्म फिल करना होगा. You will have to give the entrance test of IIM Indore, and after that you will have to also fill the form for NIRMA University as well. तो आपको दोनों फॉर्म फिल करना होगा अगर आप निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. Alright, so I'll be talking about NIRMA University, how is the college, what are the options you have, how you actually get into the colleges, what are the reservation options, उसको फॉर्म को फिर कैसे फिल करते हैं. I'll talk about all these things. Alright, so I'll be talking about the first important point, PVA plus MBA 5 years integrated program में इनका कैसा होता है. So again it is again a undergraduate and postgraduate program which I have told you, BBA plus MBA. Second thing is they have a trimester based program, so that means the program is divided into 3 terms. The first year there will be in total 9 terms. So अगर आपका कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हर टर्म में आपके पास 3 टर्म्स होंगे, एंड इफ़ यू हैव 3 years, सो इन टोटल यू हैव 9 टर्म्स. अगर आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन भी कंटिन्यू करते हैं देयर विल बी 6 टर्म्स फॉर दैट टू, सो 3 टर्म्स फॉर ईच ईयर यू कैन से. सो 5 years हैं तो 5 years को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, इन टोटल यू विल बी हैविंग 15 टर्म्स इन टोटल, ग्रेजुएशन प्लस पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. ऑलराइट, दे ऑल्सो हैव एन ऑप्शन कि अगर आप 3 years में एग्जिट करना चाहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स आस्क मी कि अगर जो 5 years इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम होते हैं क्या हम 3 साल के बाद उसको एग्जिट कर सकते हैं. येस, इन निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी यू हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आप 3 years के बाद आप एग्जिट ले सकते हैं. वंस यू टेक द एग्जिट, वंस यू कंप्लीट 3 years इन निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी, दे विल गिव यू अ BBA डिग्री फ्रॉम देयर साइड. अगर आप उसके 2 साल भी और कंप्लीट करते हैं फॉर MBA, यू विल गेट BBA plus MBA डिग्री फ्रॉम देयर साइड. Alright, the examination, the medium of instruction will be in English, and number of seats they have is 180 seats. Alright, now we'll be talking about NRI category students. So there are two things, NRI self and NRI sponsored category. अगर आप NRI self हैं, अगर आप NRI हैं, so you will be appearing for the entrance test of IPM-IIM Indore examination. अगर आप NRI sponsored हैं, then NIRMA University will be conducting a separate test for you guys. Separate test का pattern क्या है? So this is the pattern for separate test which the NRI sponsored students will be appearing for. So first is quantitative aptitude MCQs, 40 questions, 40 minutes. Then one more quantitative aptitude options which is short type question and answer, which is 20 questions, 40 minutes, and verbal aptitude MCQs, 40 minutes and 40 minutes. In total you'll be having the 120 minutes to appear for 100 questions. Alright, so I'll be talking more about IPM program which is NIRMA University BBA plus MBA 5 years integrated program. The eligibility criteria is 60% in 12th standard. That is the minimum percentage which is required. Age limit I've already informed you, 20 years as on 1st July 2022. तो इसका ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस क्या होगा, यू विल बी अपियरिंग फॉर द IIM इंदौर एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. उसके बाद अदर वेटेज भी है विच इज़ 50% वेटेज विल बी गोइंग टू द IPM रिटन टेस्ट, IPM test. Next you have personal interview which has the weightage of 30%, and last academic performance which you have got 10th and 12th standard, uske basis per the weightage is 20%. In total 100% weightage, 50% for the entrance test, 30 for the interview, and 20% on the basis of your academic performance in 10th and 12th standard. Online application was started on 15th March 2022. Last date is not given yet. We have not given that. In that case, examination date we have written not required because that is based on the IIM Indore examination. IIM Indore forms are not released yet. So आपको वो फॉर्म भी फिल करना होगा separately. As I've already informed, the application fees is to 1500 rupees, and the form link is given on this particular page. Once I click on this particular page, it will give me the registration page where I will have to do the basic registration. Alright, I will have to punch in the first name and the last name, email ID, and I will have to retype the email ID on the right hand side. I will have to choose the country where I belong to. If I am from India, I will select this. If I am from outside India, I will select others. Now below that I have a mobile number, and I will have to mention the mobile number on the right hand side too. I will accept the terms and condition. I will put the captcha, and I will click on get OTP. Once I click on get OTP, they will send me the username and password to my registered phone number. I will have to put that OTP also. I'll get the OTP also. I will have to punch in the OTP, and this particular page I will get. And on the right hand side I will get the username and the password. The email ID will be the username, and the password they will send me. I will click on login. Once I do that, it will ask me to retype the password. So आपका जो old password जो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी से मिला हुआ है, you will have to punch in this information on this particular area, and below that you will have to create your new password for yourself. So अगर आप पासवर्ड्स आपने जो ऑलरेडी मिला हुआ है पासवर्ड आप उसको यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, आपको एक नया पासवर्ड क्रिएट करना होगा. ऑन द लोअर साइड you will create the new password, retype the name same password, and you will click on change password. Once you do it, your new password will be updated. You will click on back to dashboard again, and again you will have to punch in the login ID and the password. Click on login again, and this is the application form you have got. Click on application form. It will take you to this particular declaration. Please read all the points which is important for you guys. Read all the points, click on this checkbox, and click on next. Once you do it, you will have to punch in this information. Name is already mentioned. You'll have to punch in the address, country, state, city, pin code number. Below that, you have to punch in the parent's mobile number. You can put your father's mobile number or your mother's mobile number. That is your choice. Your parent's email ID also you can mention on the right hand side. Nationality, date of birth, gender, and from where you get to know about that university. This information you need to furnish here. Now I will click on save and next. It will take me to this particular page where I will have that page where I have to mention this particular thing. I will select all India, NRI, or NRI thing. So I can go ahead with do the both the things. NRI भी है और India category के लिए भी apply करना चाहते हैं तो this option also available. The fees will be 3000 rupees for those students. Okay, so I have selected all India option. I will click on this option. I will click on this checkbox and click on save and next. Once I do that, it will give me the 1500 rupees thing. Application number I've already got. I will click on pay now. Once I do it, this will give me the card information. I have chosen the card information. I will have to punch in the debit card or credit card information. Or if you don't have the credit card or debit card, you have one more option which is net banking. Using the net banking, you can make the payment for this particular application form. So actually this is how you fill up the form for NIRMA University application form. Again telling you the examination is IPM-IIM इंदौर examination. आपको IIM इंदौर का examination देना होगा, उसके basis पर आपका जो merit आएगा उसके basis पर आपको selection मिलेगा NIRMA universities में. So this is how we fill up the form for NIRMA University. If in case you have any kind of problem, you can contact us on the mobile numbers given on the left hand side. We'll surely help you in filling up the form. If in case you want to join Pratham Test Prep, the mobile number is given on the left hand side. You can contact us. We'll do the counseling and help you in preparing you for the entrance test. We'll be creating more videos also. Likewise, few universities yet to release their application form, will be creating the video for that as well. आप तब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Refer to those videos which we have already created, and we'll be catching in the next video. Till that time, take care, have a nice day, and stay safe, guys.